So today's August 4th. We have Sweet Treat Pluerry, which is a plum cherry. This plum needs cross-pollination with a very early flowering Asian plum like Santa Rosa or Flavor King Pluot. The size of this plum is roughly like an apricot size, larger than a cherry, smaller than a regular plum. It's really productive if you have the right cross-pollination. Second thing is, this type of tree requires spraying if you live in Washington. I mean, if you're organic and you don't want to spray any fungicide or whatnot, then you should not grow any of these cross plums. It's highly prone to disease. It is very hardy down to zone 4. It is just the disease. The climate in Seattle in particular, we're very wet. So with the raining, it's just a bad combination. Otherwise, it ripens fine. It ripens in mid-July all the way to early August. So let's get to it. See how it is. It's very firm, just like Pluots, much firmer than any plums. Excellent flavor. The skin is very tart, but it's very nice. And then the flesh, very sweet. The name is just perfect as it is. Little sweet treats. I think it's a beautiful blush color, fruit, size. The only bad thing about this is that disease prone. So if you grow one of this, I would not expect it to live for like 20 years like other, plums. This would last maybe 3 to 5 years until it gets some kind of canker or some other disease in that. Then the tree's gone. But you will probably want to replace it. Besides that, I think this is a very good variety. I just really love the flavor. It's definitely worth it to grow for me, but not everyone want to spray their tree and have all the other trees to cross-pollinate to make a perfect environment for it. Otherwise, this is a great one to grow into collection if you have a lot of room. If you have just one room, I would say you wouldn't want to get this tree. We'll see you next time.